Hello, how are you? Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you the demo of my website. Newly I created using PHP and Bootstrap, and it's a blogging website in which we can create categories, posts, and pages, and it's a full dynamic managed from the admin dashboard. So let's test the front end as it is. This is the navbar, and here we can add the categories and pages, and it's the hero section. It also managed from the dashboard dynamically, and here we will show the categories which we will later add in the admin dashboard, and here we will show the posts, latest posts. So here all categories will be shown. So it's the only home page, and here the social media links. So it also managed from the admin dashboard. So it's the home page. Let's go to the admin dashboard, and in admin we have two rules, one for the user and one for the admin dashboard. So first of all, open the domain slash register, and here we can create the register, and it will create for the only user. So it will react to the user slash dashboard. So just I have already created admin dashboard, so I will just enter the admin email and then the password, and then click on login. If you click on remember, it will remember you for 30 days. So you will no need to enter the password and email again and again on the browser, and instead if you remove the history, it will also remove the cookies. So you will need to give the email and password again. So just click on the login button, and it will redirect to the dashboard. So I am using the admin dashboard. Here you can see, so in the sidebar, here you can see the dashboard and the posts, links, and the categories and the pages, and then below its settings, in which we have comment section like this. So if user comment on any post, it will be shown here to make its status like approved or pending or delete. So admin can do that. So below it, the hero section, let me open it here. Just go to it. Here you can see that SEO devised PHP, and let's deactivate it. First status change it to activate, and here you can see the text has been removed. So make it to active, and let's delete this optimized, and then click on update, and here you will see the SEO full. Here the optimized text has been removed. So below here you can see the media which will be uploaded. Here you can upload images also. So below it the user management, admin can manage the user. At this time only the admin dashboard is only one user in the database, so it shows this one only one user. And below the settings, in this settings you can manage the site logo here in this one, and also manage the favicon. This I have here you can see that, and below the, so if you create the category dash page, on the categories pages it will show pagination, and only 10 posts per page. And if you use only page, and it will show on here the 10 posts. Like let's in later we will also create the categories and posts and also manage these value. And here footer text, you can manage that 2026 script type. So let's change it to AI PHP. So let's update, and here you will see the output. Here you can see AI PHP. I have added this one, so you can manage everything from this. And the social links, also you will use the social underscore GitHub, YouTube, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Here you have seen this one. And let's make it 25. And then you will manage the meta keywords, meta description, meta title. This is the meta title PHP AI web app. Here we can see that PHP AI web app. Let's make it to PHP AI. So let's update, and here just you can see that PHP AI, it will be shown here meta title. And then meta as set site underscore code favicon, you will also manage it here. You will just if you upload the media from here, then call the image here, so it will update the favicon. And here you can manage the site name, it will be shown here. And also if the logo is not available here, then it will show the site name instead of this logo. So you can edit all these things. And if you add the new settings, you can also edit. So this is the settings page. So if you log out, you will be logged out from the admin dashboard. So let's create the categories. Here you can see all the categories. So let's click on that category button, and let's PHP, give its category name, and it will automatically make its slab. So parent category, it will make the drop down here. So let's say as it is the first category, so none of category will be available here. So now choose the image. Let's use this one, and it will preview the image also here. So meta title will be PHP. Also meta description, PHP tutorials, keywords. I will also these keywords and meta description later in this one. And then make the status and navbar status. If show in navbar will be checked, it also show the navbar here. And if you hide in navbar, it will be shown on the categories page here, but not in the navbar. So below, let's hide in navbar, and then click on the categories. It will redirect to the categories page with the message category added successfully. Here you can see it's added. So let's refresh, and here you can see that our category has been added here, but it is not shown in the navbar. So if we update it, and if you check this remove current image, and then upload the new image. It will remove old uploaded image and replace it with the new uploaded image. So you can see that, and then click on let's move navbar status to show, and then click on the update, and it will, let's see, it will showing the PHP category in the navbar also. You can see that. So it's a category you can add, and you can delete this also. And if you can delete this, the image also will be deleted from the, let's say, open it in new tab, from the uploads slash categories, like these paths will be deleted from the folder. So it free up the space. So let's create the image page, new one. Then here I am using the summer note editor, which text editing, so you can add it like WordPress. And let's give its title, and it will automatically make the select. And let's choose its featured image. uh, let's use this one, and then go to lorem ipsum, and copy the dummy text from here, and we will use this. So let's copy this one and paste it here. So it's bold, so it will be bolded. Let's make it bold, italic, underline, and also make it in center. Let's paragraph. So it's in the line, and you can also add the tables, and also give the about meta title, and then the description, and status will be published. And if you make it to draft, it will be added, but not showing on the front end. So let's make it the published, and then click on the, and it add the, here you can see also the links of the about page. So just open it, and here you can see the about us page with the image and the text. And if we remove the tags, like remove this, and then update, and here you can see that tags has been removed, as tags I am using in the post. So here you can see latest posts and the categories. And so let's create the post, and then click here, give its post name, category. So it's fetch the categories from the categories table, so you can see. So let's upload the image and also the text, and let's give its name and title, meta description, keywords, and make it just publish, and then click on add. So here you can see that the latest post is added. So let's click on view more, and it will show all the posts here. So I will open it. So here you can see that the image and the text and the tags and the comments. So user can comment on the posts. So using the email and the password and name, and then click on the comment, and it will also show the categories, statuses, and published time. So here you can copy these links and also share WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, and the LinkedIn. So it is showing this only the published. So let's also add the popular and the featured. So here you can see the featured and popular tags also and has been shown here. So now let's add one more post. Let's PHP and image and then the text. Let's make this one and then click on the add post and it will be showing here. So my main purpose is this, like here. So if it's showing many of posts, hundred of posts in the website, so it's not a professional way to show all the posts in the one page, so it will be scrollable, so user will be irritated. So for this I have made this page slum. So let's make it to 1 and then click on the update button and here let's refresh. Here you can see that first it's showing the two codes, that after we update value it's to 1, it will show on the front end page only one post and then edit here the pagination. So let's click on the page number 2 or click on the next page and the next post will be shown on the next page and then click on previous, it will be showing this one previous. Let's make it, here you can see that, let's make it to 10 and then update and let's refresh. Here you can see that. So let's create categories more one. Let's make it to Laravel and let's select the PHP as a subcategories. So just choose the image and then click, also give the Laravel tutorials and then click on that category and here you can see that the drop down has been added. PHP it's the main category and it's the subcategories. So in the Laravel it is no post here. So let's click on the PHP, it will be showing it this one. So let's go into settings and then click category page. So let's update also it's 1 and see the output. Let's refresh. Low. So it's showing the all categories. So it will show the paginations here also. So you can see that it is the second post category I have already created, but later I have created the Laravel. It will show in this. So let's make it to 10 and then click on update and it will showing the all categories in this page. So let's say the script using the PHP and Bootstrap. So and on the dashboard page you can see the total posts, categories, users and pages, and here the SMTP settings which is used to send the email verification, like to when a new user is registered it will receive a OTP to make it like account active. So let's click on add. I am using the mail trap SMTP, but you can use the your own Gmail or hosting a email on anyone you have. So just add and update. You can also add a new. So this is the script you can buy and download from the given description in the YouTube video link. So thanks for watching and please subscribe the channel. Goodbye and we will meet in the next video. Thank you.